Hello everyone, welcome back. If you love natural homemade hair remedies that are simple, affordable and made with ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen, then you are in the right place. Today's recipe is one of the most talked about natural hair spray for promoting healthy hair growth, reducing hair shedding, strengthening weak hairs, and improving overall scalp health. We are making a powerful spray using just 3 natural ingredients: coffee, clove, and rosemary. And the best part, this spray is easy to prepare and can fit into almost any hair care routine. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you never miss any of our hair growth recipe and any hair care tips. Our first ingredient is coffee. Coffee is much more than a morning drink. For hair care, coffee has become increasingly popular because of its caffeine content and antioxidant property. Coffee contains caffeine, antioxidant, polyphenols, minerals, and natural plant compounds. These compounds can benefit both the scalp and hair. One reason coffee is commonly used in hair care is caffeine. Caffeine helps stimulate hair follicles and support healthy hair growth. Hair follicles need proper nourishment and circulation to function effectively. When the scalp receives good circulation, nutrients can reach the follicles more efficiently. This creates a healthier environment for hair growth. A healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. Coffee helps invigorate the scalp and may encourage better blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen delivery, more nutrient delivery, healthy scalp condition. Many people notice that coffee treatment leaves their hair looking shinier. This happens because coffee can help smooth the hair cuticle. When the cuticle layer flattens, hair reflects more light, hair appears healthier, and hair feels smooth. Coffee can temporarily make the hair appear thicker and fuller. This is especially helpful for fine hair, thin hair, weak hair strand. Coffee contains powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the scalp and hair from environmental stress. Examples include pollution, dust, sun exposure. Stronger hair is less likely to break. Coffee helps strengthen hair strand and reduce breakage when used consistently. By the way, let me know in the comments, have you ever used coffee on your hair before? Do you notice any difference? I would love to hear your experience. Now let's talk about our second ingredient, which is clove. Clove have been used for centuries in traditional beauty awareness practice. These tiny spice bugs are packed with nutrients. Clove contain eugenol, vitamin C, vitamin K, antioxidant, antimicrobial compounds. One of the biggest reasons people use clove is their ability to support a healthy scalp environment. Healthy follicles often produce healthier hair. Cloves are known for their warming properties. When applied to the scalp, they help stimulate blood circulation. Improved circulation helps nourish hair follicles. Many users report less hair shedding after regular use. A stronger scalp environment often means stronger hair roots. Product buildup, excess oil, and dead skin cells can clog follicles. Clove helps keep the scalp cleaner and healthier. Clove possess natural antimicrobial properties. They help reduce scalp odor, support scalp cleanliness. Many people use clove to combat flaky scalp condition. A healthier scalp often means fewer flakes. An itchy scalp can be frustrating. Clove helps smooth discomfort and improve scalp comfort. Strong roots help reduce unnecessary hair fall. Regular use of clove infused treatment supports stronger hair roots over time. Clove can contribute to smoother, shinier hair. Many people use clove spray on tiny edges because clove help create a healthier scalp environment. Now let's move to our final ingredient, rosemary. Rosemary has become one of the most popular herbs in natural hair care. There is a reason so many people include it in their routine. Rosemary contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds, natural plant nutrients, and essential oils. Rosemary is widely used in hair growth routines. Many people use rosemary to help maintain healthy hair density and encourage stronger hair. One of the reasons rosemary became famous in the natural hair community is its association with reducing excessive hair loss. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Rosemary helps create a balanced scalp environment. Rosemary helps reduce flakes and support cleaner scalp. Dry hair break easily. Rosemary helps improve moisture retention. Stronger strands are less likely to break during styling and combing. Many people find rosemary calming when dealing with scalp discomfort. Hair becomes softer and easier to manage over time. Rosemary can leave hair looking healthier and more vibrant. When incorporated consistently into a hair routine, rosemary helps support stronger edge areas. Now imagine combining coffee for stimulation and antioxidant, clove for circulation and scalp support, rosemary for scalp health and moisture. Together, they create a powerful hair spray designed to support hair growth, hair strength, reduce breakage, reduce shedding, scalp health, moisture retention, fuller looking hair, healthier hair, and improve shine. Now let's prepare our ingredients. In a clean container, add 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of clove, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, and 1.5 cups of hot water. Cover tightly, allow it to soak for 12 to 24 hours. After 12 or 24 hours, Strain with a strip straw or a filter, then transfer into a spray bottle. After straining, you may add olive oil, castor oil, or peppermint oil. By adding any of those oil, it helps lock in moisture, reduce dryness, improve softness, enhance shine, and support scalp nourishment. How to apply? Pat your hair into section, spray directly into your scalp, massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Apply lightly along the hairline, then wash up. Use this 2 to 3 times weekly. With regular use and popular hair care, you may begin to notice fresh scalp, reduce itching, softer hair, improved moisture, less shading, stronger strand, reduced breakage, fuller appearance, healthier edge, better hair retention. Remember, hair growth takes consistency. No natural remedy work overnight. Patience and regular use are important. And that is it for today's powerful coffee, clove, and rosemary hair growth spray. This simple recipe combines 3 amazing natural ingredients that support healthy hair, a healthier scalp, and a stronger strand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who is trying to grow healthier and thicker hair naturally. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and take care of your hair.